Oh, hang on, there's another crumb. Here's a piece. Ready? Hello. Oh, there's a piece. Okay, come down the coast to buy another camera and was recommended this place to eat. So, not normally where we come for fish, but may as well while we're here. Bit of an overcast day on the Gold Coast, but see how we go. Yes, even the beach has crabs. Nobody's perfect. Lots of nice seafood. Well, surrounded by seagulls and ibis and overcast sky. That's not too bad. So unlike where we normally go, it's come in a bag. Let's see what's in the bag. You can see before I do. Does it look any good? Oh, let the seagulls think it does. There you go. That's hot. I don't want them to steal my seafood. And let's put this there. I also don't want them to steal my wallet. No, it's upside down. Hard to get out. Okay. Ouch! One of them. Okay, there we go. A piece of sea perch. We've got two of those and a potato scallop. Let's check that out. Oh, well, two little potato scallops. Let's see what they taste like. And no, you guys can't have any. Well, you might get some crumbs. See? No, you can't have any. But I want some. Not too bad. You have to watch they don't steal your seafood. Well, there's some of the sea perch in my mouth. So far the seagulls haven't got one. It's actually starting to rain lightly. Forecast was for a fine day, but no, that happens in life. Alright, back to my fish. There's Ibis preening himself here. The fish has magically reconnected itself. Oh no, that's my second piece. There was a big swarm of seagulls that went over to the down further before because somebody threw them a piece of fish. Anyway, wind has picked up quite a lot here. Wow! Live cyclone. Oh, there's a scuffle. And now the part you've all been waiting for. Not you guys watching, I mean you guys. Let's put out a bit of scraps and see what they do with it. Okay, here you go. Alright, here you go. Some more. I can give you some more, Wayne. I haven't saved much for you, but there you go. One more bit. Now the word's coming around. Yeah, okay. Yeah, well, that's about it. I ate most of it. I'm sorry. Oh, hello. That's all I got, I think. Any more scraps here? No, can't find any. Any scraps? Oh, hang on, there's another crumb. There's a piece. Ready? And another one. Oh, there's a piece. Yep. Okay. Well, that's literally about it unless I throw you some old lemon. Well, that's it, fellas. That's it, I'm afraid. I'm going to the bin now. Oh well. Taking over the seat. That's all it was. Honestly. That's all it was. Oh, can't leave the Gold Coast without at least touching the sand. Should point out for those that aren't aware of the Gold Coast, this isn't the surf part. This is the Broadwater. Well, this part's apparently a lagoon. Yeah, so the surf part, well, obviously if you go way out past the islands, which constitute part of the Broadwater, SeaWorld's down that way. That's where the helicopter crash unfortunately happened in recent times. Yeah, so the surf is out there in the ocean. But this is the quiet area, or one of the quiet areas. And I'm filming this on a Friday, so it's not even weekend. It will obviously be a lot busier during the weekends or public holidays. But since I was down here anyway, thought I'd show you around. Alright, well, I guess I'll head back to Brisbane, head back home. Maybe come down another day and show you the Gold Coast in another area. Well, that'll be right. I'm about to head home and the sun's come out a little bit more. So this is why it's called a lagoon. Only this bit. Of course, while on the way back from the Gold Coast, have to stop at one of the world's best pie shops, Yatala Pies. Plus a very long overdue coffee. And the Fairmont gear is slowly clocking up the kilometres. Still going strong. Almost home, but I stopped at the local IGA, which is quite good. See the prices of their pies. $30. But it's a good shop. I like it. And often, as per when I go to the butcher's, same deal. These are quite good prices, depending on what it is. You have to cut it up yourself though.
It's no secret that Zumba class is the last thing on my mind.
And the butcher I go to, lately I've been buying great big ones, big couple of kilos, getting them to cut them up. So yeah, it's one way to save money. The initial outlay is higher, but the end result is quite cheap. Right, let's go back home. Cheers, and if you like the video, you know the story, hit subscribe and all that, click the bell. Catch you later.